Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in this video, I'll be providing you guys with 10 simple steps on how you could go about creating your own faceless YouTube channel using AIs and other video editing apps to generate every aspect of your channel, from niche, name, description, and to create your first video. So if you're interested, stick around for the rest of the video. So for step 1, we're going to need to head on over to Chrome, after which we're going to need to ask ChatGPT to give us 25 YouTube channel niches. Now you could ask it to give you 50 or 100 if you wanted a wider range. That is totally up to you. But at this point, we're going to ask it to give us some YouTube niches so we can select the niche that we want. Now, once you've gotten a list of all the niches, you're going to need to select the one that you want. For me personally, I will go with history because I like that one. Now, once you've selected the niche you want, it is now time to create your channel name. So you're going to ask ChatGPT to create a name for a history channel, and it will provide you with a list of names to choose from, and you're going to need to select the one that you like best. Now, once you select the name that you want, I like Echoes of the Past, so that's the one I'll be working with. You need to head on over to YouTube to change your channel name. Now, once you've edited your channel name, you need to ensure that you save it, and we're going to head on over back to ChatGPT to ask it to provide us with a description for our channel. So you can ask it to write a description for your channel using any amount of word count that you want. Bear in mind that the word count for your description on your YouTube channel is 1000, so you cannot exceed that. So once you've gotten the description, you would simply need to copy it and head on over back to your YouTube channel to paste it and save. Now, once this step is completed, the next step would be to create our channel logo and our channel banner. So you're going to need to have Canva installed on your device, and at this point you would simply need to launch Canva. Now, once you're in Canva, you would need to search for YouTube banner template, and you would need to tap on create blank. Now, once you click on create blank, you would need to tap on elements, and at this point you'd need to search for the elements that you want on your banner. So seeing that I'm creating a history channel, I would need to, or rather I personally prefer to search for something related to history, and I would select something that really catches my eyes. So once I've selected the image, I would simply need to adjust it and save it. Now, once the image is saved, you need to re-upload it back to Canva so you could go ahead and add some text to the banner. Now, adding text to your banner is completely optional. You don't have to do this, but if you wanted to do it, it would be fine as well. Now, you need to select text and change the font size and color and the font that you wanted. And once you've pretty much are satisfied with the edit, you could go ahead and save it and head on over back to your YouTube to add the banner. Now, a disclaimer that I want to point out is that I am using my phone for this tutorial, so I won't be able to see the banner in its entirety. However, if you are using your desktop or you're using a TV, a smart TV, you'd be able to see the banner in its entirety. But once the banner is completed, we would need to head on over back to Canva and pretty much do the same process to create our channel logo. So now for this tutorial, I'll just be creating a simple logo, but you could go ahead and take the time out to do something more creative and innovative. But I'll just be selecting a simple template and editing it to my preference. Now, once you've selected the template that you wanted and you're done with all your edits, you could go ahead and save it and head on over back to your YouTube channel to add your channel logo. Now, after this step, this is where the fun actually begins. Now, at this point, once you've added your banner, your channel name, and your description, we're going to go on over back to ChatGPT, and we're going to ask it to create some video ideas and to write a script for us. So I'm going to ask it to create some video ideas based on the history channel that I have created. And it's going to give me a series of ideas, and I prefer to work with the number 3. So I'm going to ask it to write a script for me for question 3 or number 3. And I personally did not like the script that was written, so I rephrased it and asked it to write it in a story format where it was more to my suit. And once I have the script in the format that I want, it is now time for step 5. So I would need to copy the script, after which I would need to Google 11 Labs to create text to speech for the voice of the video. Now 11 Labs is a free AI. You could go ahead and use it. It converts your text to speech. So you would need to, of course, sign up, after which you would need to search for speech synthesis. Now at this point, you would need to paste your script in order for it to generate it to audio. And you can change the voices in 11 Labs. There's a wide array of voices to choose, so you can choose the one that you like best. Now once you're satisfied with the audio, because you can actually listen to it, you could go ahead and download it. Now at this point, it is time to create the background for our video, so we need to head on over to Canva and create the background. Again, you could use CapCut or any other video editing app, but for this purpose, the purpose of this video, I'll be using Canva. Now I'm simply going to create the background that I used for my banner, and once I have that background, I would simply need to go ahead and save the background. And as I've said earlier, you could go ahead and do something more creative or more innovative, but this is just a tutorial to show you guys how you could go about creating a faceless channel. Now once you have saved the image, you need to launch CapCut, add it to CapCut, after which you would need to go to the location of where you downloaded the audio file from 11 Labs, and you would need to share it to CapCut. And once you do that, you would need to adjust the image to suit the audio, and you would need to tap on text to create audio caption and create your captions. Now at this point, you would need to go through frame by frame to adjust the text if you wanted, and to change the color of the text. And once you've done that, you would need to go ahead and export. So once you're completed this step, it is time to upload your video to YouTube and to add your title and your video description. Now you would need to go ahead over to your YouTube channel, and you would need to simply tap on the middle button in the middle and upload your video. Now once you've uploaded your video, it is time to create a title for your video. So we're going to need to head on over to ChatGPT once more, and we're going to need to ask ChatGPT to create a title for our video. And once ChatGPT has created a title that for your video that you find appropriate or suitable, you could go ahead and simply copy the title of your video and head on over back to your YouTube channel to add the title. And we're going to pretty much do the same thing for the description. We're going to ask ChatGPT to create a description for our video based on the title. And once it has generated the description, you're going to simply go ahead and copy the description, head on over back to YouTube and add the description to YouTube. Now once you've completed this step, it is time to add your thumbnail to your video. Now I'm simply going to just use the background that I have as my thumbnail. I'm simply just going to add some words to it and use it as my thumbnail. Now once I have my thumbnail, the next thing to do is to go ahead and add some tags to my video. And once I've created the tags, I will need to ensure that my video is on public. And one thing, guys, you want to ensure that you continuously save. So as you go along every step, you would need to save. Now once you have everything that you need, you have your thumbnail, title, tags and description, it is time to make your video public. And that's pretty much how you'd go about creating your first YouTube video. And that's how you go about creating a faceless YouTube channel from niche, name, description, and video ideas. So that's the end of the video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.